Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Neculescu, and you know me for a lot of integration with Uipath. We have the connector for Salesforce, ServiceNow, Jira, Confluence, and so on. I create also a lot of videos here on the integration, where you have how to start a process from Salesforce, Postman, ServiceNow, Power Automate, and so on. Yeah. Remember, today we'll do another start a process from a different software, and for a full configuration before this, please try to watch the movie with start Uipath process from Postman. Here I have all the steps, and if you want to work on the orchestrator that is on-prem, I have a dedicated video for the orchestrator on-prem. Today, as usual, we'll use the orchestrator on cloud. And on the orchestrator on cloud, I have two messages. MSGS process, which is a simple process, MSG param, that is a process with parameters. Today, we'll talk about NINTEX. To be fair, I never heard about this until 2 months ago, but I received 2 or 3 questions from you about this software that a lot of you work with SHAREPOINT, and you want to start a process from this software. Yeah? So I download the trial version of this software, and I try to see how I start a process from this software. So the steps are the same like on other videos. Here, basically, I create a new workflow. And here I drag and drop different activities. What I use 4 activities. I use call a web service from here. Log, because I want to see a log to see everything is working okay. And I use also query JSON to be able to read the JSON that I receive from the orchestrator to extract the activation key. Let's see the steps. First, I send a command to auto authentication token. Remember, you have on my website, you have all the, on GitHub, you have all my Cristian Neculescu. You have all the code to start from all the software, so you can inspire from this code. You have JavaScript and so on. For this one, I don't know how to put. I will just show you what I select here. So first, I go to uipath.com. Authentication token. I say that is a post. I have to provide here. So just to write data. Content type should be application JSON. XUipath tenant should be fantastic. In my case, you put your tenant. The request, you put grant type, your client ID, your refresh token, and you get a response. Yeah. This response, I log it here to see on the screen. After I log it, here I need to parse this one, and to be able to parse the JSON, I just provide the variable, and then I will say that I want access token, so I put $.access token. This will extract my access token, and this access token will be stored on a variable. So I just go here and create a variable. It's very simple, add a variable, and you create a variable. I log also this access token to have it, to see it on the screen. Then I call the simple service, yeah? So I call platform@uipath.com server configuration. You have all the steps. And then here I have an HTTP post, and I have a content type application JSON. And here I put authorization to points beer space access token. So I just click insert and add the variable, yeah? And here I put the body. And in my case, I have the start info with release key with my process and strategy goal, yeah? And then I log the response to see that I have a response from the orchestrator, yeah? So this is the steps. It's easy stuff. Let's say, I think it's, no, let's publish. So you need to save. Okay, it's first time when I use this NINTEX, but you ask me how to work with this. Then we'll publish. And after we publish, we put. I was on the development, and then I think I will stop the recording a little. Yes, I'm back on the recording. And after he published all the stuff, I will say run the test, yeah? And here I will go to start again, yeah? And we'll see the results. We'll wait until the results will come, yeah? Okay, so the results come. And here, take a look. We have the steps. So first, the system give us the access token. Then we extract the access token. And on the end, this is the response of the orchestrator. And if we go to the orchestrator, you see that a few seconds ago, we have the message from the robot, the MSGS simple process was started. And here we'll have hello from the robot start from orchestrator, yeah? Let's start it now with param. And if we want to test it with param, we will disable this one. So we'll disable this part and we'll enable this one. And we'll see what I configure here. Again, start the process, again, post, again, the content with the spaces and so on. And here we'll have param 1, test YouTube, and param 2, we'll see that the video is done on 4:53, yeah? It's done on 4:53. We hit again save. And after we save, we'll go publish. And then after the publish, I will go again and say test workflow. Yeah. Again, I will pause again the video because it will take some time for NINTEX to compile all the stuff. Okay, back. The system ran the stuff. So we see that we have the response from the orchestrator. And if we go to the orchestrator, we'll go to jobs. We'll see that we'll have MSG param, yeah? And view logs. On the logs, we'll see that we have test YouTube and P2 and the video was on 4:53 and now it's 4:55, okay? So this is the way how, for me, with this demo instance of NINTEX, I was able to start the process on Uipath orchestrator, yeah? So for those that ask me a lot of questions with for SharePoint, yes, you can use these steps, yeah. So remember, you have to search here for call web service, do this stuff. You have all the code on the. You can use the code from JavaScript or from something to be inspired, yeah. Yeah, and then put the headers here, the body here, get the response. On the query, just remember, you put the variable, you put $dot access token, you get the access token, and then you use the access token like this. So you add beer space access token, and then you put your variables. And you can do internally, I don't know, I never use it, so I don't know how you get the data, but probably this has some connector for SharePoint to get the data from SharePoint and send it to the Uipath robot. Again, if you have a response here from Uipath, from the orchestrator, you analyze with query JSON and you can handle this. As usual, try to follow me on the YouTube, subscribe to my channel, and ask me what else you want to see on the on this channel for the integration with Uipath. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Bye bye. Stay safe.